Hi everybody, we're here today to discuss something that I think it happens to most of the BIM managers out there. At least it happened to me a lot when I used to do a lot of BIM meetings and BIM coordination, where if you had like a BIM big model, the reality is that sometimes you need to go from one place to the other real quick. And for that, you end up creating a lot of viewpoints, right? Like a viewpoint by room or a viewpoint by floor or something like that, where if someone is reporting, like, can you go to the, I don't know, fifth floor, you can do that real quick. The thing is, like, every time you get a new project, you end up creating new viewpoints, or sometimes even every time you get a new model. And that's a lot of work. So for that, I'm going to show you something that's going to make your life easier. So basically, it's a tool called Veronica, which is open source and completely free. So you can download it from the Autodesk App Store. Basically, what it does is you select your Revit model, and then you can even select units. I can just say fit, and I can set an offset. And then it's going to create a viewpoint on each level. So I'm going to hit apply. Then it has created 18 viewpoints. So I guess I have 18 floors in Revit. And then it will automatically name them by the floor name. So parking lot, level 1, for example, somebody wants to go to level 5. Real quick, you are there. And as you see, I define the offset as 0. So what it's doing is slicing the building, so basically creating a viewpoint with a section box, right? Section plane, sorry, on that specific floor. If you define the offset to be, I don't know, 5 feet, 4 feet, whatever, it is going to create the section plane 4 feet above. So we can try that. Let me just create a new project, and then I've already exported the NWC, and then so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna define feet here, and then I'm just gonna say 6. I don't know, I like 6. So I'm just gonna hit apply, and then you see now I can see the walls, because it's 6 feet above each level. And sometimes this helps because it gives you a little bit of background, and it's much better to have a little bit of context, not maybe just creating a slice plane on 0. So I hope this was useful for you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.